Welcome to Public Studio, where creating and showcasing your products is simple, fast, and intuitive. Today, we'll walk through setting up a complete product listing along with videos and social assets in just a few simple steps. First things first, you'll need to log in. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see an option to select the platform where you want your product listed. Click that, and you're instantly redirected to the content filling screen. Here's where the magic begins. Public Studio prefills the content according to the platform you selected. Now, you can choose to review these elements if you'd like, but even if you skip, don't worry, the system will generate all the content you need. Next up, it's time to add some details about your product. Start by providing your brand name, selecting a category, and writing a brief product description. You can input this info manually, record or upload an audio clip, even upload product packaging images, or share a link. Got additional info for a winning listing? Go ahead and add variations like size, color, or model. If you add color variations, Public will pop up a confirmation asking if you'd like to upload images for each variation. Simply click Yes, and the system will guide you to upload the images, with the variation name neatly shown for each one. Now, let's talk keywords. You can add them manually or use the handy keyword wizard. The AI will suggest keywords tailored to your product, review them, and when you're happy, click Save to lock them in. Almost done. The final step is to upload your variation images, then click Generate to get your complete listing. Your listing, with all variations, is now ready. You can check each variation by selecting it from the drop-down at the top of your listing. Want to make some tweaks? To edit your listing's text content, simply click Edit Listing Content on the left panel. This opens Public's chatbot, where you can select any specific element to adjust. Just type in your instructions, and the AI will regenerate that piece for you. Like what you see. Click Save to apply it to your listing. Now, for the images. Click the three dots next to an image, select Edit, and you'll be taken to a fully functional editor. Here, you can customize all the visual elements you'd like, then click Save to lock in your changes. And before you save listing, there's an option to preview your listing in a marketplace mockup. This gives you a real-time view of how your listing will look on that platform. Finally, hit Save Listing. Public Studio will show you the credits used, and after confirmation, your listing will be saved on your dashboard. And if you want to create a product video for your listing, navigate to the product video section under Catalog. With just a few inputs, selecting a template, adding your brand, description, and images, you'll get a complete product video ready to upload alongside your product. After that, if you're ready to create social assets for the same product, head over to the Social Assets section. You can select from options like Post, Carousel, or Reel. Here, you'll just need to select the size, add your brand name, category, and pick a language. You can either upload an image or select one from the media gallery. Click Generate, and you'll see 4 different social asset options created for you. Choose the one you like best. Make any final changes by clicking on the 3 dots and selecting Edit, then after saving it, select hashtags and add a caption. You can either save the social post or directly upload it to your selected platform. After generating a post, if you're not satisfied or want something more dynamic, you can create a stunning reel instead. Select Reels from the Social Assets section. Decide whether you want to use images or videos. If you choose images, you can pick from categories like product showcases, teasers, or testimonials. After selecting, provide the following details. Upload up to 2 product images. Enter your brand name and category, and add a brief description to help the AI generate factual data. You can also adjust additional settings like tone and language, add a website link, and upload your logo. Once done, click Generate to see 4 AI suggested reel templates. Pick the one you love most and click Edit to customize it further. The editor allows you to tweak text, reposition products, and adjust slides to make the reel truly yours. Save your edits, then click the 3 dots to generate the final video. After your reel loads, you can preview it and fine-tune hashtags and captions using the options on the left. Once satisfied, you can directly post it to your preferred platform from the option on the left or save it for future use. And here's something even better: customized A+ templates. Perfect for elevating your product page. Navigate to product images under the catalog section on the side navigation panel. Once the editor loads, click on Design in the side panel. Here, you'll find a variety of options, including infographics, backgrounds, and A+ templates. Select any A+ template that fits your product style. After selecting, the template appears in the editor, and a form opens up for you to fill in the details. You have 2 options: link an existing listing to prefill necessary information automatically, or input details manually for a customized approach. Add some finishing touches by inputting your brand colors and fonts. You can even upload your logo and choose where to place it on the template. Once everything looks perfect, click Generate. Public Studio will process your inputs and display a fully customized A+ template in the editor. From here, you can review the design, make any adjustments, and save the slides. And all your content will be neatly stored in your media gallery, ready to enhance your product pages. Now, here's the fun part: all your assets are automatically stored in the brand new media gallery. This organized space neatly saves all your creatives for future use. Download images or videos, delete unwanted files, or link them directly to existing listings with ease. With Public Studio, creating and managing stunning product assets has never been easier. Ready to take your brand to the next level? Let's get started.